All right, going straight live across to these pictures of the Union Home Minister, who is right now in Prayagraj along with his family. Union Home Minister will be taking a holy dip at the Triveni Sangam, and we will be going across to Samarth. For more details on the Home Minister's itinerary, the Chief Minister has also welcomed Union Home Minister along with the Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh and the other ministers, leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party in the state of UP. The Prime Minister himself will be there in the Triveni Sangam taking a holy dip on the 5th of February. But before that, Union Home Minister Amit Shah is in Prayagraj today. These are pictures on your screen right now where the Union Home Minister Amit Shah is. Along with the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister, they will be taking a dip at the Triveni Sangam. Earlier as well, and these are pictures from the moment Home Minister Amit Shah had arrived in Prayagraj. Samarth is live with us for the very latest on that. Samarth, if you could take us the details of the itinerary of the Home Minister today.
Well, exactly. Home Minister Amit Shah is here in Prayagraj Mahakumbh, and security has been tightened as alert has been issued, and he can come at the Sangam Ghat any time from now. And if you see the visuals here, heavy security arrangements. You will be seeing the PAC Jawans, the RPF Jawans, all together with the senior officials of UP Police assembled here, making a sense and telling the junior officers about the movement of Amit Shah here. And he's also briefing them like where you have to station. He's aligning all the forces out here. What I can clearly see, the three forces out here in the camera: Rapid Action Force, RPF, and the PAC Jawans, and also the Jawans of Uttar Pradesh Police. So three different forces all together out here in the Sangam area. At one end, the heavy scores of devotees thronging the Sangam Ghat from one area, while on the other hand, these two pictures clearly tells you the story. Be it a VIP movement, but the administration and government is taking care whether due to the VIP movement no devotee snan could be affected, and that's why the devotees at one hand are coming to take the holy dip in large numbers, while on the other hand a road which is quite clear just with the police officials ready to welcome Amit Shah, Home Minister, along with UP CM Yogi Adityanath, and such arrangements have been made out here to make sure that Amit Shah could take holy dip in Sangam in a hassle-free manner. And that's why at one end the devotees, while on the other hand you see these forces stationed out here making a plan about their stationing. See, more Jawans are moving here and doing the patrolling at this particular area. At this entire three-lane area has been cleared, and from the top view we are making our viewers understand the ground sense of the Mahakumbh, especially when just 2 days left for the Mauni Amavasya Snan, while Amit Shah is already here with the UP CM Yogi Adityanath and Deputy CMs Keshav Maurya and Brajesh Pathak. Also what I hear, the announcements from the lost and found centers, because it's scores of devotees here, so many have lost their near ones, dear ones, family members, and that's why a lot of time, 24/7, these announcements are happening here about the whereabouts of those who have lost their families. And via these lost and found centers, the devotees who have lost their dear ones are reaching and returning to the lost and found centers to again get them and move to their respected villages or cities from wherever they have come in large numbers. So anytime from now, Home Minister Amit Shah could come here to take the holy dip in Sangam. Back to you.
Arrangements are in place. Samarth, you were telling us about the tight security arrangements as well, because you have many dignitaries, including the Prime Minister, who will in just about 5 odd days from now or so will be in Prayagraj as well to take part in the celebrations. Just take us to the details of the kind of security arrangements in place here.
Well, exactly. The heavy security arrangement, as you see in the visuals, we can see that Amit Shah has reached the VIP Ghat near the Sangam from where he could take a boat to reach at the spot where the three rivers, that means Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati, come all together and make the Triveni. And after reaching at that position via a boat or a motorboat, Amit Shah will be taking the holy dip right there, and then he'll also take a boat, and then via a boat he'll return to the VIP Ghat, and later on from this particular area he can move to the Letehu Hanuman temple, because the Letehu Hanuman temple is right at that particular area which connects from the Sangam. That means from Sangam, if you move, a total of 500 meters it takes to reach at the Letehu Hanumanji, and that's why Amit Shah will be coming here after taking the snan, after taking the holy dip right here, and then he will be moving. You can clearly see in the visuals how he is joined by UP CM Yogi Adityanath and other deputy CMs, and Yogi Adityanath and Amit Shah could be seen in one frame together with Nand Gopal Nandi, the UP minister, in between them. And now you can say that Amit Shah is moving to the VIP Ghat, and along with him is the Keshav Prasad Maurya right behind him. And now Amit Shah will be taking some motorboat from here, and later you see the visuals how he's standing around the river Ganga, and taking a deep sense from the ground about the preparations and everything. And now he will be going via a motorboat to that particular portion and take the holy dip in Sangam Triveni. Back to you.
Samarth, we've been seeing politics brew over this issue for a while now, with the BJP also challenging the opposition members and leaders like Akhilesh Yadav to take the dip and to see the kind of work that has been done to clean up this entire area. There's a war of words which has broken out over Akhilesh Yadav, for example, taunting the government and saying that the arrangements again are not up to what they expected, isn't it, in spite of the kind of budget that they had.
Well, exactly. That's why we see a political sense also coming out of this particular too. Not just that, we saw when Yogi cabinet came here, they questioned the opposition why they are not coming. And when Akhilesh Yadav came and take on the government, and later now the Amit Shah is coming. So it's also worth these visits of Amit Shah, Yogi Adityanath or Akhilesh Yadav are worthy politically as well, because we see the Milkipur by-election in Ayodhya is on the doors, while Delhi elections also coming in. So the religious fervor, the Mahakumbh may make some impact for the BJP, and that's what BJP knows. And in a way, to take on that particular point, the opposition is also trying hard with the recent Akhilesh Yadav visit, where he meets the various saints, Kinnara Akhada, and a lot of people. So both be the ruling party or the opposition are making attempts via this particular Mahakumbh even to get that particular religious sense amid the voters, especially the BJP, with the Milkipur Ayodhya by-election on the doors, and the Delhi elections also right there. Back to you.
All right, Samar Srivastav getting us those details from Prayagraj. To tell our viewers, the Home Minister Amit Shah will be taking the holy dip in the river any time now. Days after the UP Chief Minister along with the entire cabinet took a dip in the holy river in Triveni Sangam, the Home Minister is there. Samar, this after the Defence Minister and the other union ministers were also seen, many of them along with their family members taking the holy dip, isn't it?
Well, exactly. That's a major visit out here. We saw the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh out here. Also, PM Modi came very early before the Mahakumbh, where he offered prayers at the Letehu Hanumanji temple, and later we saw the Defence Minister coming in, then the Yogi cabinet along with all the ministers, Yogi Adityanath, and then Akhilesh Yadav, and now Amit Shah. So it's going to be a thing. No leader from any other party wants to miss this particular mega event, the devotional event, because we see in Sanatan Dharma it's coming after 144 long years, and that's why Amit Shah is there in the near the Sangam to take the holy dip. We'll be showing the pictures and visuals of him taking the holy dip very, very soon on our TV screens, and it's worth seeing politically, even as I said, in terms of the Delhi elections, and also in terms of the Milkipur by-election, because also opposition is making it hard with the Dimple Yadav roadshow, Akhilesh Yadav's rally in Milkipur, while Yogi Adityanath is also doing hard in Milkipur, back-to-back rallies there. And with this visit of Amit Shah, will the BJP make an impact amid the voters also? That's going to be worth seeing. Back to you.
All right, Samar Srivastav. with a report from Prayagraj. Be with us. Just coming back to you in a moment from now. Home Minister Amit Shah is in Prayagraj. To tell our viewers who've just joined us, he is at the Triveni Sangam, where he is going to be taking a holy dip. Samarth, of course, the meeting and the visit also involves meeting with seers and saints from various akhadas. Just talk to us a little about that as well.
Well, obviously, Amit Shah will be taking the holy dip. Later, he'll be going to the native Hanumanji temple to offer prayers, and then he'll be moving to the Sector 20, where he'll meet various saints from Juna Akhada and various other akhadas. He'll also spend some time with saints to get the information whether they are satisfied with the Mahakumbh preparations or not. He'll also be taking the food, the lunch, or we say prasad from the akhadas, because it's also a perfect thing when you are in Mahakumbh. You cannot miss the prasad of Mahakumbh, which we say the bhandara, and that's why Amit Shah could also be seen taking that particular food, and later on, after meeting the saints, he'll be returning to Delhi. And now if you see the visuals out here, you see how the ropes have come into action now. You can see the 3 horses here on which the policemen are making a vigil eye with a loudspeaker in hand, disallowing any other public movement right here. And these visuals clearly tells you the story about the Amit Shah's visit here, because this is the area from where the convoy of Amit Shah is likely to be passed, and that's why you see such security arrangements out here all across. The Jawans of RPF and a PAC and the Jawans of UP police senior officials with mic in their hand and loudspeaker even, and telling the other officers, other Jawans here, to station at that one place and keep a vigil eye around the Amit Shah, and that's why it becomes very crucial for them even. And also, if you see the 3 horses out here, they are stationed, and now see a zigzag barricade is also being removed partially, because the vehicles will be passing from this particular area, and that's why these zigzag vehicles have these zigzag barriers have also been partially removed, and that clearly tells you, gives you the sense about the visuals as he visits the Hanumanji temple, and also the holy dip in Sangam. And that's why, with the removal of these partial vehicles, and also other police officers also coming here and to take the stock of the situation here about Amit Shah's movement. And see, the people pull out here, and the other senior officials in large numbers is stationed here, coming here and keeping a vigil eye here. And see the 3 horses and the action right there. If you see the RPF Jawans moving across, RPF Jawans are moving across one place to another to check the route, to check the sense about the proper patrolling of Amit Shah. So that's why the SP Prayagraj could be also be seen coming here, and that's why the heavy police patrolling happening. So these are the arrangements made for the Sangam, for the Mauni Amavasya as well, where you will be seeing the heavy security, heavy patrolling all across the area to make you understand about the exact sense. And these loudspeakers also into action about telling the home ministers to make understand about the situation out here. And that's why it is very important to make you understand about the visit, where he'll be meeting a lot of saints, a lot of seers. So clearly that's a mega event. The Sangam area and this entire area has been engulfed with a lot of security men out here, and that's why you see which we expect now. It seems that Amit Shah has come at this particular area. I can see some convoy moving at this place. Quite unsure whether it's Amit Shah there or not, but it's a convoy of, and you can see the policemen out here, right placed here with a zigzag barrier out here, a few vehicles moving. That could just be the convoy, because it may happen that Amit Shah might move from one place to another, and that you can see the convoy. No, there's no Amit Shah or Yogi Adityanath in the convoy. This is just the convoy. What I can assume from here, that Amit Shah might have gone to the Sangam for the holy dip, and these vehicles might catch up Amit Shah and other ministers, including UPCM, on the other end, and that's why these vehicles have been freed from the area of Sangam, as you see in the visuals amid the heavy police security right here. So this is quite a concern as well, because we see a lot of people out here, and these visuals about the convoy, just the convoy clearly tells, and see Amit Shah is near the VIP Ghat and will be taking the holy dip. So these visuals amid the heavy, amid the scores of devotees happening here, coming here, it's going to be a major visit for Amit Shah and for the BJP as well in terms of political situation as well, be it in Milkipur or Delhi election. So it's going to be worth seeing how the entire visit goes on, with him meeting a lot of seers and saints. Back to you.
All right, these are pictures on your screens right now also of the Union Home Minister along with the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister really meeting leaders of this, in fact, akhadas, perhaps seers and saints, and that was very much a part of the itinerary. He is in fact holding a meeting with seers at Mahakumbh. That's the information that we have with us at this point in time. The Home Minister in Mahakumbh right now meeting with the seers and saints. In fact, the holy dip at the Triveni Sangam is going to happen in just some time from now. Samarth continues to be with us. Samarth, in fact, the Home Minister there meeting with his seers and saints at this point in time. We have pictures of this meeting which is ongoing. This, of course, very much a part of the itinerary.
Well, exactly. As we see in the visuals, Yogi Adityanath, CM Yogi, and Amit Shah are in a way sitting on one particular sofa out here, and it seems that they are in the Sangam area, or currently not meeting the saints first, because as per the itinerary given by the department, he'll be first taking the holy dip, and that's why he is near the VIP Ghat, and that's why after the VIP Ghat, he will be going to the area where the three rivers Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati comes together, and there he will be taking the holy dip. And see the visuals here, how the RPF and PAC, and at that side the UP police. So three forces combining all together amid this particular lane, amid this particular road, on both the sides, be it left or right, and in between this particular lane, you see the three horses with the Jawans of Uttar Pradesh police on there, patrolling across to get the clear security passage for Amit Shah. And see, the visuals clearly takes you to the another level, and that's why you see these visuals, the three UP police Jawans on the horses moving across this particular area, because this is the area, the place where you will be seeing a lot of people, and especially Amit Shah convoy to be moving, and that's why it becomes very crucial for them to make or keep the passage very clear. And what I see in the visuals is this a security situation here, and not just that, also it's worth mentioning here that he is currently in the VIP Ghat, and he will be moving at the place in the Triveni, where the three rivers come together, and then he will be taking the holy dip at this position, and we will be showing you the live visuals where he will be taking the holy dip. But arrangements have been made before the arrival of Amit Shah, and that's why you see in the visuals how the security arrangements have been made. And he's also could be seen in the pictures. He's present inside the VIP boat, as if I can understand, and sitting with Yogi Adityanath discussing about the situation in Mahakumbh. He's also been joined by some saints from different akhadas, and also having a word about the preparations of Mahakumbh, and that's why he's here, right here, and is speaking to them, because he's in Sangam. So it seems that various persons, especially the saints, have come here in large numbers to meet Amit Shah and get him the sense about the concluded days and also the days coming for Mahakumbh.
Right now we are staying live with these pictures coming in from Prayagraj, where the Mahakumbh is being held, and the big update for today is that the Union Home Minister is going to be taking a dip in Triveni Sangam right now as a part of his visit to Prayagraj as a meeting with seers. One such meeting is taking place as we speak. Amit Shah is in Mahakumbh and he is all set to take a holy dip at the Sangam shortly. For our viewers who've just joined us, Samarth continues to be with us for more on that. Samarth, if you could take us to the details of the kind of security arrangements that have been made and also tell us a little about the akhadas and the saints of the akhadas that the Home Minister will be meeting today.
See, he'll be meeting a lot of saints here. Juna Akhada is on the priority as he has been here for the past Mahakumbhs and Ardhakumbhs as well. So whenever he comes here, he meets a lot of saints and sits across with the Akhadas and get the sense about their problems if there are any. And so that's why he will also be meeting the lots of saints. So you see the visuals are here as we'll try to understand the way. On one hand, the devotees and the senior police officers directing the jawans of RPF and PAC and the UP police about the situation, and that's why this is very, very important, and that's why the entire area has been cleared. While on the other hand, if you see the devotees coming in the large numbers, scores of devotees out here, and a heavy police security arrangement out here to ensure that Amit Shah's visit could go hassle-free. You see the senior police officials making the round out here, doing the patrolling all the time here to make the sense from Prayagraj. While on the other hand, you see scores of devotees coming ahead of the Mauni Amavasya, and that is why this is also a major event, and Amit Shah's visit could be seen as a stepping stone for the Mahakumbh as well. In terms of if we see politically, if we see religiously, then that could also be a boost for Mahakumbh as well, because also Centre is keeping a vigil eye over the entire preparations of Mahakumbh and to ensure that Amit Shah has come here to speak to the lot of saints. Back to you.
All right, Samar Srivastav getting us up to speed with those details from Prayagraj, where the Mahakumbh is being held. Union Home Minister is there today. We are staying with these pictures from Prayagraj, where the Mantri, the Union Home Minister, is going to take a holy dip at the Triveni Sangam, meeting up with seers right now as we speak. Of the Juna Akhada is what we know. And then the dip at the Triveni Ghat, the Triveni Sangam is what we know. Also, in just a few days from now, Samarth, the Prime Minister himself will be in Mahakumbh, also taking part in the celebrations, which of course, like we were speaking about it earlier, it was incomplete without the holy dip, isn't it? Pictures on your screen right now are from Prayagraj, where Home Minister Amit Shah, along with his son Jay Shah, is in fact in Prayagraj today, taking part in the Mahakumbh celebrations, and which is drawing to a close on the 26th of February and started on the 13th of January. Now, he, along with the other union ministers, are taking part in these celebrations, taking the holy dip in the Triveni Sangam. For this, the Defence Minister was also there. Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister, along with his entire cabinet and political leaders from across the political spectrum, really. Akhilesh Yadav, for example, has taken part in the Mahakumbh celebrations, also a holy dip at the Triveni Sangam. Right now, what you see on your screens right now is of the Home Minister, Amit Shah. Samarth is back with us. Samarth, if you could get us the very latest as far as the Home Minister's program is concerned.
Well, Amit Shah could be seen with Abhinand Giri in the visuals as he's speaking to Abhinand Giri ji along with UP CM Yogi Adityanath about the preparations of Mahakumbh, and because this visit is very, very crucial about the timing, because we see with Mauni Amavasya just 2 days left for the Mauni Amavasya, and that's why when Amit Shah is here, he's taking the proper thing from the saints, as we know that he'll also be going to the Juna Akhada, and that's why his visit is very, very important. But if you see, then get the sense from the visuals, the river Ganga right here, you see the cameraman Sandeep will zoom the camera, then there is a Pipa pull right here, and this is the place from where Amit Shah will be coming along with the convoy. But currently, as we see, as we get the sense from the visuals, we see that how Amit Shah is in a way speaking to the senior saints. He sees from different akhadas, and really that's a sense from the Mahakumbh, because whenever any political leader comes to Mahakumbh, he makes a visit to the various akhadas, meets a lot of saints out here. CM Yogi also making different rounds from here, because we saw every week we see CM Yogi's visit here in the Mahakumbh, and that's why such arrangements from the top view. We are showing you the visuals about these lights, the CCTV footages, the speakers, and the positioning, and the way stationed out here are the Jawans of the different forces, and that's why it's now we see in the visuals that how Amit Shah is speaking to the saints out here, sees out here from different akhadas, and taking the information about the Mahakumbh. Back to you.
All right. Information right now is that he will be taking a holy dip at the Triveni Sangam. He is meeting with the seers right now, and pictures are live, in fact, on your screen. From Prayagraj, Samarth continues to be with us. Samarth, take us to the details of the kind of preparations that have been made, given that many such dignitaries are also expected, to take a dip at the holy Sangam. What more can you tell us about the kind of arrangements in place?
See, proper arrangements have been made, as I showed you the visuals, that the two barricades, see, barricades have been made. And also to get you the sense from the view, such barricades have been made here about the devotion, about the security all together. At one end of the barricade, you see the devotees coming in the large number, the scores of devotees, that too on Monday. Monday is a working day. And despite Monday being the working day, you see scores of devotees coming here. So you can clearly expect what happened yesterday on Sunday, that too on Republic Day. And what can be expected on 29th, when there is the Mauni Amavasya, the biggest and the most prestigious Snan, the Amrit Snan of Mauni Amavasya is amongst all the 5 Snans. And that's why the maximum number of people, crores of people arrive on Mauni Amavasya. They have a sense if they can miss any Snan, but they cannot miss the Mauni Amavasya. This is the thinking of those people who have the religious faith in Ma Ganga, in the Mahakumbh, and that's why we see a large number of people coming together here to take the holy dip ahead of the 2 days, with the 2 days remaining for the Mauni Amavasya. Back to you.
2 days left to the Mauni Amavasya is what Samarth is telling us, and we are staying with these pictures of the Home Minister, who is in Prayagraj today along with members of his family, meeting the saints of Akhada right now, and just some time from now he will be taking a holy dip at the Triveni Sangam, which has been the case with other union ministers and political leaders as well, not just from the BJP, Samarth, but from across the political spectrum, isn't it? Samarth.
Well, exactly. It's not just a political event for any political leader, be it Akhilesh, be it Yogi Adityanath, be it Amit Shah or Rajnath Singh. They have come here and did not talk much about the politics, we say. We have done the interviews, we have taken the bites, but no political leader has spoken much about the politics, especially even CM Yogi Adityanath and Akhilesh Yadav even. We saw they might be saying something about each other on in the public rally, in some other event, but whenever they come in Mahakumbh, they try to not speak on politics, and that's what we saw in the previous days with a lot of leaders, especially from ruling and opposition as well. And now with Amit Shah here, he must not be discussing about the politics. He will be having a word with the saints about the preparations of Mahakumbh, especially about what's happening in the Mauni Amavasya. Back to you.
All right. Samarth Srivastava with that report from Prayagraj. Samarth continues to be with us from Prayagraj right now, where Home Minister Amit Shah is there. Union ministers have been, in fact, traveling to Prayagraj. The Mahakumbh is going to, in fact, conclude on the 26th of February, and many ministers have, in fact, already taken a dip at the Triveni Sangam, and today is the turn of the Union Home Minister to do so. The Prime Minister himself, Samarth, will be in Prayagraj on the 5th of February.
Well, exactly. It's the Basant Panchami Snan on 3rd of February, and later on 2 days after the Snan, PM is coming. So that's the best thing, because if PM could have came on 3rd, that could have been a tricky situation for the administration and also for the devotees, because on Basant Panchami even, we will see a lot of crowd, not as compared to the Mauni Amavasya, but yes, a heavy crowd will be coming on the Basant Panchami Snan, and that's why it becomes very crucial that Prime Minister's visit is scheduled 2 days after that particular Snan, because there will be protocol, VIP movement all across, the vehicular movement for or the normal vehicles will be stopped, and PM will also be taking the holy dip in Sangam, meeting the seas, taking the darshan of Late Hanumanji. So that visit is also very crucial. And in terms of that, ahead of that, we see Basant Panchami Snan. So that's why it's become very crucial that PM's visit has been scheduled 2 days after the Basant Panchami Snan. Back to you.
The Prime Minister will be taking a dip in the holy Triveni Sangam on the 5th of February. Today, the Home Minister is there right now, as Samarth was telling us, and meeting with seers and saints from various akhadas is a part of the itinerary on your screen. Pictures are, in fact, of Baba Ramdev, as we see right now. These are pictures of Baba Ramdev, if I'm correct. Baba Ramdev on your screens right now. Okay, we'll go back to those pictures in a moment, but Home Minister Amit Shah, accompanied by the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, today in Prayagraj, taking part in the Mahakumbh celebrations and the Mahakumbh rituals. Of course, it can be completed only once the holy dip is taken at the Triveni Sangam, which of course is what the Home Minister will be doing in just some time from now. We have details of his itinerary. Samarth was telling us about the fact that he is in fact going to be meeting with saints and seers from various akhadas, and that already has started. We are staying with these pictures right now. From what it seems of the Home Minister already, Samarth, to take the dip at the Triveni Ghat. Tell us more.
See, Amit Shah's visit is very crucial because we see politically, we see religiously, Moni Amavasya is already knocking the doors, and a lot of devotees coming here, and that particular area of VIP Snan. If you can camp on the camera right there, in between the river Ganga, the place where you see a lot of huts. So what we know that Amit Shah could be there because we see he's having a meeting in between that particular area where there's VIP Ghat, and also he's also saving the time of the saints and himself as well, because if he moves to the Akhara area, then it will be a troublesome situation, might be a troublesome situation for the administration, though they have made the arrangement for the movement. But we see how he's meeting the Akhada Mahamandaleshwar, Acharya Mahamandaleshwar out here and taking the information, and these visuals from River Ganga tells you the story about the cleanliness of the river Ganga around here, because this portion belongs to Ganga, and out the other portion belongs to Yamuna, and then in between a small line of Saraswati meeting all those two rivers, and that is called the Sangam, that is called the Triveni. And that's why what we see in the visuals, how Amit Shah is meeting with the saints here and offering prayers as well, as we see in the visuals, and he'll be taking the holy dip right here very, very soon. Back to you.
All right, he will be taking the holy dip soon. As we stay with these pictures, getting you the very latest of the Home Minister's itinerary is my colleague Samarth Srivastav. In fact, we have a reaction also coming in from Hema Malini, BJP MP. Let's take a listen.
राधे राधे। हम सभी सनातनियों के लिए परम सौभाग्य की बात है कि 144 साल बाद ऐसा शुभ मुहूर्त आया है। प्रयागराज में महाकुंभ की तैयारियां बड़ी धूमधाम से हो रही है। राधे राधे। हम सभी सनातनियों के लिए परम सौभाग्य की बात है कि 144 साल बाद ऐसा शुभ मुहूर्त आया है। प्रयागराज में महाकुंभ की तैयारियां बड़ी धूमधाम से हो रही है। वही महाकुंभ में 27 जनवरी को विशाल सनातन धर्म संसद लगने जा रही है। प्रयागराज 17 सेक्टर शांति सेवा शिविर में देवकीनंदन ठाकुर जी और हम सभी सनातनी बड़े बड़े धर्माचार्यों के साथ सनातन बोर्ड के गठन और सनातन की सुरक्षा का संकल्प लेकर सर्वधर्म समभाव के साथ ये पुनीत आयोजन कर रहे हैं। सभी सनातनियों से निवेदन है कि कृपया 27 जनवरी को धर्म रक्षा के इस महायज्ञ में सम्मिलित होकर पुण्य के भागी बने। राधे राधे।
Alright, he's heard in fact from the Mathura MP, the Hema Malini, on these celebrations. The Home Minister Amit Shah is in Mahakumbh today. That's the big story we're getting at this hour. Pictures are in fact live on your screens right now. Home Minister Amit Shah anytime will be taking a holy dip at the Triveni Sangam. Samarth, I understand, continues to be with us. Talk to us, Samarth, about what to expect in the next few minutes from now. Anytime the Home Minister will be taking the holy dip there. All right, on your screens, pictures are from Prayagraj, where the Home Minister and Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister are there today. The Home Minister is going to be taking a holy dip at the Triveni Sangam, but before that, a meeting with the seers. He's meeting, in fact, saints from various akhadas. One such meeting has taken place. Anytime now, you'll see the Union Home Minister taking a dip at the Triveni Sangam. He is also going to be visiting the Bade Hanumanji Mandir, is what we know from what has been said by the Home Minister's office as far as the itinerary is concerned. Remember, Mahakumbh started on the 13th of January and will be concluding on the 26th of February. And before that, the Home Minister is there just in a few days from now. You'll also see the Prime Minister in Prayagraj, who will be now taking a holy dip in the Triveni Ghat on the 5th of February. Samarth is back with us. Samarth, any time now we will be seeing the Home Minister taking the holy dip at the Triveni Sangam.
Well, exactly. Home Minister Amit Shah will be taking the holy dip anytime from now here, as he is meeting the saints along with UP CM Yogi Adityanath, and also I can sense announcements happening here. A lot of visuals here coming here with the scores of devotees and the movement across of NDI, of RPF and PSC and UP police jawans. So these visuals also tells you the story about the situation out here at the Mahakumbh, and that's why it becomes very crucial here to make you understand the situation of this particular situation. And see the saints here. There are a lot of public here coming in large numbers, a lot of devotees coming in. And that's why we see in the visuals the Pipa pool is quite empty due to that particular movement. And you see some random ones as well. The zigzag barricades here, the barricades out here stationed here, and also it's going to be worth seeing how this particular situation comes into action when Amit Shah will be coming and taking that particular holy dip. And that's why what we get the sense after taking the holy dip, he will be meeting the lot of professionals. He will be meeting the lot of professionals, and especially those who are organizing the Mahakumbh Mela. So because the Mahakumbh Mela is in between this particular factor, and that's why what we know from here, that the Latev Hanumanji temple, the visit to Latev Hanumanji temple will also be very crucial, because it's the historic temple. And that's why it is very, very crucial, with lakhs and scores of devotees across coming here in the large numbers. So that's why we see the situation here on ground zero, with security on top, and with Amit Shah meeting a lot of saints and seers all across. Back to you.
Getting you up to speed with the very latest as far as the Mahakumbh is concerned. Pictures on your screen are from the Triveni Sangam, where Home Minister Amit Shah is. As we speak, any time he's going to be taking a holy dip at the Triveni Sangam. I'm going to go back to Samarth for the very latest on the itinerary of the Home Minister. Yes, Samarth. The details of the itinerary, even as we stay with these pictures of the Home Ministers accompanied by the Chief Minister of UP. Pictures on your screen are live of Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Also you see, in fact, Ramdev, in fact, on your screens right now, Baba Ramdev on your screens right now, the Home Minister taking a dip there at the Triveni Sangam. He's in fact just about to take a dip at the Triveni Sangam along with seers, is what we see on our screens right now. The Union Home Minister is there accompanied by seers, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh right behind him, and also Baba Ramdev there right on the left side, flanked by Ramdev. On the left side is of the Home Minister is Baba Ramdev. Amit Shah taking a dip right now at the Triveni Sangam. On your screens right now, Home Minister Amit Shah at the Triveni Sangam. Let's take a listen.
सामने है। टीम से क्या करना सर, थोड़ा सा सर कहानी पलट गई भाई।
All right, now finally the holy dip of the Union Home Minister, as you can see in these pictures, along with Baba Ramdev and the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Amit Shah in Triveni Sangam, experiencing what just so many people have experienced in the Mahakumbh celebrations, and that so many people would want to experience, is the holy dip at the Triveni Sangam, without which the visit to Mahakumbh is incomplete. On your screens right now, flanked by various saints and saints, Amit Shah there, in fact, taking a dip at the Triveni Sangam. He's meeting saints from Prayagraj today. Right now, taking a holy dip at the Sangam is Union Home Minister Amit Shah.
हेलो फोटो भैया क्या कर रहे हैं? बोलो बोलो बोलो। पता नहीं यार, वो दलील भाई वाले फ्रेम में बोलता हूँ ठीक है। हेलो भैया सिक्योरिटी, यार ये तो बोलना है इनको यार। अरे फोटो भाई थोड़ा सा हट जाओ यार, तुम्हें ही कह रहा हूँ।
Minister Amit Shah taking the holy dip as a part of the Mahakumbh celebrations. He is in Prayagraj along with his son Jisha, is what we know right now, being accompanied by seers and saints from Prayagraj who are in fact with him right now. Also, a moment ago, we had seen the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister, also Yogi Adityanath, accompanying Home Minister Amit Shah. These are pictures coming in from Triveni Sangam, where the Home Minister is taking the holy dip. As a part of the itinerary, is also going to be meeting the seers and saints from various akhadas, but right now, The Home Minister is in Triveni Sangam. Okay, right now offering jal to the Surya Devta is the Union Home Minister taking part in the religious celebrations of the Mahakumbh, also a holy dip in the Triveni Sangam. We've seen not just the Home Minister in the past, but also various other Union Ministers who are part of these rituals. Pictures on your screen of the Union Home Minister who is in Prayagraj today, and he is taking part in these celebrations.